To execute or not, the execute set of statements we use for flow control statement. To execute a set of statements for repeated number of times or for loop in multiple number of times. We will check this later. In the flow control filters, we use
Amrut,
what is
your
the
voice is low.
voice is low. Hello?
Okay, now okay.
Yeah, we can use the various flow control statements like if else, elif, or and while. So if else, what is the syntax for it? Syntax for defining if else. First, we need to write the condition, then statements. Condition, statements. Condition, statements. Define for only for the if flow. Let's see an example. Example for defining even numbers. Now, yeah, anyone can tell me what is the logic for the even numbers? Hello.
If number percentile 2 is equals to 0, then it is an even number.
Yes, yes, correct. Yes. First, we need to take the input, right? For the number. This is the number. So basically, it's int. So I'm keeping the values in integer. How we will type if condition. If and percentage to double equals to. What is condition of this? If n percentage to double equal to 0, then if condition if block will execute. Okay? And what the number. So here I'm defining the if loop. What? This the logic is n percentage to must be equal to 0. Then only it will be even number. It is a even number. So this is the if block condition certificate. Now we are defining for if else block. If you need to write the if else block after the condition if condition fails, then directly it executes the else block. Now here I am defining the else block. The same condition. So what happens this code? If n percentage 0 double equals 0, if you give any input here for any even number, it takes else block, if block only. But if you give odd numbers like 3, 9, there the condition fails. It directly goes to else block. If you write 3, 3 is not an even number. 3 not an even number. 6 is an even number. If
Sorry for the disturbance. You have taken input function like that. In how many ways you can use input function like that?
sorry, I can't understand.
I- In how many ways we can use input function like that?
In how many we
Ways you
can,
can use input function. You have declared int input.
yeah, this input function is declaring a function in the output statement. In the output statement, it is written in the file. Whatever user input is given to the function, it is taking the value. Suppose if
Yeah, yeah. In how many ways we can define like that or input function like that or
it is based
sub,
on
Yeah,
sub,
Sampath, what is your doubt?
in how many ways we can declare input function like that? In how many ways we can declare input function?
Yeah, how many data types are there?
He had declared input function అంటే నేను
As
ఇప్పుడు తెలుగులో చెప్తున్నాను ఇన్పుట్
mm,
ఫంక్షన్ డిక్లేర్ చేశారు కదా సార్ అక్కడ
చేశారు.
uh,
ఆ, అది ఎన్ని విధాలుగా అలా డిక్లేర్
Yeah,
చేయొచ్చు
in declaring in int in this.
yeah,
ఇన్పుట్
declaring
ఇన్పుట్ సార్
input మనం
This is
ఏదైతే
only.
yeah,
Oh, okay,
మనం
you are asking
ఏదైతే
only input. This is the one way.
yeah, this is only the one way for the if else loop. For the
This is the
if else కండిషన్ లో మనం ఏదైతే ఇన్పుట్ ఇస్తున్నాం యూజర్ కి అది ఓన్లీ వన్ వే మాత్రమే తీసుకుంటుంది. సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫర్ లూప్ లో యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. ఫర్ లూప్ లో యాడ్ చేస్తే అది ఎన్ని వేస్ తీసుకుంటే మల్టిపుల్ వేస్ తీసుకుంటుంది. సో అలా సో
no,
దిస్ ఇస్
Sampath.
ఓన్లీ
Sampath.
దిస్ ఇస్
No, 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 Amrut. Wait a minute. బై డిఫాల్ట్గా మనకి ఇన్పుట్ అనేది మనము యూజర్ ద్వారా ఇవ్వాలి అంటే మనకున్న ఒకే ఒక్క రూలు ఇన్పుట్ అనే ఫంక్షన్. ఇన్పుట్ అనే ఫంక్షన్ మీరు కాల్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమైందంటే బై ఐడియల్ ద్వారా ఇన్పుట్ని తీసుకుంటుంది. బట్ ఆ ఐడియల్ ద్వారా ఇన్పుట్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఎలాంటి డేటా టైప్ మీకు కావాలో మీరు దాన్ని రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేయగలగాలి. అలాంటి రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ మీరు చేయగలిగినప్పుడు మీరు దానికి ముందు ఒక ఫంక్షన్‌ని యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అదే ఇక్కడ తను చేస్తున్న రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాడంటే ఇంటీజర్‌ని ఓన్లీ ఇంట్ వాల్యూనే తను తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నాడు. కాబట్టి దాన్ని రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేసి ఇంట్ అనే ఒక ఫంక్షన్ లోపల ఒక ఇన్పుట్‌ని తీసుకుంటున్నాడు. ఓకే సంపత్?
Okay.
ఓకే సార్. అంటే ఇన్పుట్ స్కాన్‌ఎఫ్ లా యూజ్ అవుద్దా సార్?
యాహ్!
Yeah,
స్కాన్‌ఎఫ్.
yeah. Scan. Yeah, scan. Okay.
Once, Amrut, you can one by one each line execute now after do programming. Okay. First of all,
Yeah.
delete now. This is the total. You can delete now. If condition also else condition you can delete now. You can give only n equal to input and put in the brackets. Enter the
Yeah,
anything.
like you want only suppose without input, right?
Yeah. First of all, you can explain input. What is input? No, not given to by user can give in the input. You can write the input function. Only you can write input function.
The user only input function, right?
Yeah, you can delete now. Total delete now after do now. Yeah,
The
this is
input
also
function,
you.
input.
Yeah, total you can do now.
If you're adding a value to the key for the
Mm.
output, you generally use the keyboard called input function. Inside input, we write commands like enter any numbers, any values, enter some strings, enter float
Enter
values,
the data.
numbers,
You can put
enter
on.
yeah,
You can put the
enter
enter the data.
the data.
Okay, any data you can enter now. It's a if
Yeah, any
that
data.
data you can see now. It's asking.
Say yeah,
Mm.
any data.
Any data you can give now. It's a programming executed. It's the end.
Yeah,
You can print now. You can print n. Yeah, you can run again and save now. First save now. Run now. You can click now F5 button. Okay.
yeah.
Okay. He's given Q
If
W
any
E
data
R
is
T.
entry, there is
Is
a
a data.
function.
Mm.
The output is taking the via user entry function. So any value if you are entering the function, the output will be in the same function.
Mm. You can do now. You can restrict the
Yeah,
integer values
but
only.
what suppose if I get your line gap? Suppose your line gap you will get it.
Again run now. Again run now. You can both enter varchar. You can enter the
Put where
varchar.
cat, but I can use print action also.
What do you know?
Action
Okay.
also.
You can put in the quotations. You can put in the
Quotation.
quotations, or single quotations or double quotations. You
Yeah.
can write the print. You can do now. It's a print also take in the first line.
Yeah.
Okay.
This action means two space lines gap we are getting. Two
Yeah.
space line
Print.
is we are getting.
No, not a two lines.
Yeah.
Mm, you can
You can
enter the data.
anything you can give in the user input. Tab space.
That is the tab.
Tab space basically. Okay?
Why you once think now,
Yeah.
Amrut, you can write the print. The print statement will take in the new line. Okay, every print
So,
function
yeah,
you can
every
put in the
function,
yeah.
print function is also taking the
No, don't write now. You don't take in another print. You can print. You can click on print. In the print function you can write now.
the print function.
In print function before before
Yeah.
n before n you give quotations.
Okay.
You put in the slash n and comma. After quotations you give comma. What happened you do?
Yeah. You get a line there.
Mm. You check now. You can see new line is entering.
Yes. New line.
You can give tab.
Then you also tab space here also.
Yeah, tab space.
Yeah. So this is our user input one.
Yeah, you can restrict now only integer value taken. That
Yes.
time what happen? What the function you can use?
Only for the restriction. Okay. So suppose if you are giving for nested folder, nested if, like
Not a loop, not a loop. Only nested if. It's a loop means
okay,
automatically
yeah.
iterating. Mm.
Nested if. If is a condition, sir. Yeah, condition. Taking the condition, what is
What do
it? Okay, marks it. If
what happened, Amrutu? What do you know? Do fast. X equal to 50. Okay.
50, okay.
Mm.
So printing now the marks. Marks
If
I need
you
to printing.
if check
So
the
first
marks is
I'll
a
yeah.
is greater than greater than
So
100 or not, you check now.
first I'll write the syntax on nested folder. Syntax for defining nested folder. If
No,
okay,
you already explain, you already show there in the your PPT. Why you can again you can write now.
okay. Syntax is this is not defined our nested folder. We directly we going for the while statements. The nested folder is not given here.
To
This is
explain now.
the
Yeah,
nested syntax for defining a nested if else. Right. Okay. Nested if else.
guys, are you understand? Is nested if.
Nested if condition. Okay.
Guys, please respond.
Uh,
Are you understand or not?
Yes, I am understanding these things.
Okay. What purpose we can use the nested if?
what purpose?
If there is more conditions,
It's a more conditions there. That time I can use the else if condition. Why you put in the nested if?
If else block is generally only one condition. It not takes only two conditions. If and plus else, but elif is completely different. You can use nested if else for the multiple various conditions. Like for you printing marks, printing percentages. Like suppose if you take average is 100, you need to divide the average 75 above distinction, 60 above first class, 50
eh,
is second
it
class,
is
like that.
not like percentage, it's like grading.
No, that's a wrong example. I will explain now. Uh, in nested if condition, it's a condition is true and that condition also true. Otherwise, another condition also is present. That time you can use the if nested if condition.
Okay, if block is true, then this block is true, and directly it executes the Python code, right?
No, that time not executed else part.
That is goes to the else part.
Okay, Okay, you can write now your example. First of all, you can comment this syntax. You can understand, or otherwise you can delete now. It's easily delete now. Okay, give triple quotations.
Take any variable.
Give 98.
Okay.
60. Okay, you can go now. If condition, you can check now. If condition, it's a greater than
Yeah,
or
yeah, that's
50.
If
If greater than
W
50,
greater than or equal to
greater than or equal to
60.
60. Okay, you can write the example for nested if.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Print like
you can put on the colons, colons. Not a colons, it's semicolons. Semicolons.
this greater.
In after if condition, you can put on the semicolons. Not a, after if condition. After if
Closing
condition.
bracket.
Parenthesis, sir.
After closing
After
bracket.
condition, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
get it.
yeah. Okay. Indentation is equal.
Yeah, Sampath explaining in also Telugu and English. Sampath, are you there? Sampath.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what happened?
If nested if కండిషన్ ఒకసారి తెలుగులో కూడా చెప్పండి సార్ కొంచెం.
డెఫినెట్లీ చెబుతాను. తను ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రాస్తున్నారు, అది రాసినాక నేను చెబుతాను.
మీ ఇంగ్లీష్ కొంచెం కాంప్లెక్స్గా ఉంది సార్ కొంచెం.
ఓకే.
ఇలా ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ చెప్పినప్పుడు ప్రతిసారి ఒక ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్పి కొంచెం తెలుగులో కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి సార్.
ఓకే. ఇక్కడ నెస్టెడ్ ఇఫ్ అంటే ఏం లేదమ్మా. ఇక్కడ చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ మనం ఒక కండిషన్ మనం ట్రూ అయిందా లేదా అనేది కండిషన్ చెక్ చేసుకుంటాము. చెక్ చేసుకున్నాక మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక కండిషన్ కానీ దాని లోపల అది ట్రూ అవ్వాలి, మళ్ళీ అగైన్ దాని లోపల ఇంకొక కండిషన్ కూడా ట్రూ అవ్వాలనుకున్నప్పుడు మనం నెస్టెడ్ ఇఫ్ అనేది రాసుకుంటాము. సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు నాకు 60 మార్క్స్ వచ్చినాయి. ఆ 60 మార్క్స్ అనేది ఎబో 100 ఉందా, బిలో 100 ఉందా అనేది చెక్ చేయాలి. అది ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్. ఇట్స్ బిలో 100, కాబట్టి బిలో 100 అన్నప్పుడు ఇఫ్ కండిషన్ ఈజ్ ట్రూ. In this condition, okay, I will explain now. I will write now. I will share my screen. I will show you. Yes, Amrut, you have a little bit confusion. Okay,
Yeah.
very well, but we have a little bit confusion.
I think the code is wrong.
Right?
If else if conditions, this is not nested if.
Not nested if. Yeah.
Yes.
This is
think
only
code
if
was
else
wrong.
condition.
This is only if else condition.
Okay, but appreciate Amrut, you can very well do practice now. Okay.
Yeah, if else based on while conditions.
Okay. I will share now my screen. Once give my you can stop your screen. I will explain now. If this is the condition, first of all, and next I can write this. Wait, who is this? Prithviraj. Yeah, what is your doubt?
నెక్స్ట్ ఇఫ్ నాకు అంటే నేను అర్థం చేసుకున్నది చెప్పచ్చా అని.
Yeah, tell me.
అంటే ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ బీటెక్ బిఎస్సి అని జనరల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను సార్.
ఓకే, టెల్ మీ.
బీటెక్ బిఎస్సి అని రెండు కండిషన్స్ తీసుకున్నాంటే
ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇస్
బీటెక్
వెరీ బెస్ట్. ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ఇస్ వెరీ బెస్ట్.
బీటెక్ తర్వాత సిఎస్సి ఈసీ అలా నెక్స్ట్
Yeah. Yeah, next
కండిషన్
that is
బీటెక్.
yeah, that is the good example for nested if. Prithviraj is explained by the education. You have a lot of branches are there in the engineering, and also in coming to bachelor degrees, I have degree also there, and also btech there. In btech, lot of branches are there. In degree also, lot of branches are there. That time, first of all, you can check now that person is btech or a degree. You can check now that time any one of the function, if condition is true, that's go to the one degree. In the degree also, so many branches are there. That person who what branch related person, that is the condition. Again, you can check now. Okay, I will show now. Okay, I will take in a student. Student is EC background student. First of all, you can check now the student was btech or a degree. You can check now. First of all, how to check now? You can already given the one set. In this set you have lot of data set there. You can proper way you can convey to the data. Sorry.
సార్ ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్పనండి నాకు తెలిసింది.
చెప్పండి.
అంటే మనం ఇప్పుడు సినిమా హాల్కి వెళ్తాం, అంటే మల్టీప్లెక్స్లోకి వెళ్తాము. ఫస్ట్ అక్కడ సినిమా హాల్ టికెట్ చెక్ చేస్తారు. తర్వాత మల్టీప్లెక్స్లో అంటే 4-5 స్క్రీన్లు ఉంటాయి కదా సార్. అంటే మనం ఏ సినిమాకి వెళ్తాం అంటే అంటే ఒక 4 స్క్రీన్లు అంటే ఏ స్క్రీన్ బి స్క్రీన్. నెక్స్ట్ ఫస్ట్ ఒకళ్ళు సినిమా హాల్లోకి ఎంటర్ అయ్యాక ఒకళ్ళు చెక్ చేస్తారు అంటే సినిమా హాల్కా కాదా అని. తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకొక కండిషన్ ఏంటంటే ఏ స్క్రీనా బి స్క్రీనా అని అలా కూడా, అంటే జనరల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నెక్స్ట్ చెక్ చేసేది. నెక్స్ట్ డిఫ్కి
that is also same example. Okay, one see, I can take a student one variable. I can pass the 50 marks. That student got the 50 marks, but that student actually got the, maybe I don't know total marks. I don't know, but I check now.
Shiva, in second condition you gave the variable name wrong.
Okay, sorry. Thank you. One see guys, the first condition is true. That time it goes to next condition, and also next condition also true now. That time it's a print. His student got the 50 marks. Once any condition is false, I given 60. The first condition is false. That time it's doesn't shows the any in the output. Okay. And also I can write now else condition also. Okay. This student have. Or I got, I don't know. Okay, you can see in this time I can given the student marks is 40. Is this is the wrong condition? The if condition is false, so directly goes to else condition. You can put in this 15. I can save now. Run the application. That time it's run the application. Okay.
Shiva,
Mm.
take the user input, using user input.
Okay, take it.
Yeah,
Okay.
between just type if
Okay, okay.
take any three variables,
Yeah.
take
Why
three
why you
variables.
take three variables?
No, this this used to define the largest function using nested for it.
No, not for this. We got now. This is the student got the 50 marks. Okay. Are you understand?
Yes.
Okay. In this purpose, you can use the nested if, or otherwise you can right now also within the same condition you can cut now and you can use under operation. This is the under operation. You can put now same condition. That time also it's work. You can delete now and also you can escape one space button and also you can run. Oh, okay. It's only
Operator.
one operator. Okay. Okay, one guy is joining. Wait a minute. Hmm. Yes, you can run now application. You do the mocks. Starting.
We're taking only if and else.
Yeah, I can give the 50 marks. You can got the before we are using this method after came to you can use the and operations that time you can use it easily you can satisfy the condition same operation is there nested if also this if condition also you can use the and operations and operations means this condition will be true and this condition will be true that time you can print this application same you can use this and operation so you can reduce the lines of code and also time complexity is decreasing. Time complexity means its execution time will be
Yeah.
execution time. That execution time also decreases. Okay. Yeah. Go now, Amrut. I will stop my sharing. You can share now. You have only Lavanya come. Okay.
Yeah. Syntax for defining else. Syntax for defining else. Else block. What is the else block? If a condition in the condition if the if block condition, three statements are getting true, then finally the elif block also condition also satisfies the block. Okay. Source for this. This is the marks for the elif. If I give a integer value, in only integer value only will take the mark. So if I give the float value, it takes the float value. What I got integer values to be taken into the mark. Okay. To the mark.
Does C supports for if If else.
That's what? Does C support
Yeah, Sampath,
support equal
what
yes.
you asking? C
Yes, yes,
supported?
yes. C language will support in, different plot, but this is Python. It is completely different regarding C and Python. As you can see the syntaxes using C language and Python language.
Yeah, Lavanya, are you join?
Can I take marks too? Sure.
Yeah, what you asking?
Shall I take 75 or above 100?
Yeah, you can take now.
Yeah. I'm really forgetting this code. That's why not.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
a new thing for you because you are forgetting. You can learn now easily. You
Yeah.
can do practice. You can definitely you can practice now your hand. That time directly
Yeah.
you can do it.
Print
Why you put
distinction.
in the X? You
X.
can put
Oh,
in
sorry,
the.
sorry. This is the X is defined function. Sorry.
Mm,
That's right. Whatever suppose I'm giving you this column, it's regarding the comment section. The output. Print distinction.
You can give in the first time. You can give the space after colon in the first time.
No problem, sir. No problem.
No, no. I want to in the first column after. In a first column after.
First column.
Colon after. Colon after. In the
Colon.
first colon,
Yeah. After.
not a colon. That's the semicolon. You come to print
Okay.
in after X and after colon. No. After
I'm not
colon.
getting
Colon. It's a double quote. In
double
after
quote
double quote, double quotation.
after X.
No, it's a your starts double quotes.
Okay, you are getting
Yeah. Before D, you can give space. You
you're getting like this.
no, I want you can control D. Click on control D. Control D.
Yes, you are getting everything. I'm not understanding.
Okay. You can write now. You can write now.
Can you tell me in the chat window?
Yeah, you can do now. This is also correct. You can do now.
Yeah.
Give some space. Give some space in the
Yeah.
quotations in the starting or ending. In the quotations. In the quotations. In the print application.
In this one, right?
In this one, in after distinct.
Okay.
Okay. And also last.
Yeah, this is not.
Elif. Okay.
So
In Elif, you have.
we have tried the
Yeah.
condition, right?
Write a condition. Okay.
With X less than greater than 60.
You have only 8 minutes in left. You can do now fast.
Only 8 minutes, sir.
You can copy and paste now.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, you can change it out. First class, second class.
Now this is the example for elif step.
Yeah.
First we write if elif, then multiple times for the elif, and if this block also fails, directly comes to the else block.
You can give the input. Wait a minute. You can give in the input through the user side. You can take a x value, and that x value will be greater than 75 that time.
Then you get distinction.
Distinction that
Distinction
person
plus
pass. Okay. Otherwise, if condition will be false, it's directly came to the elif condition.
Elif condition. Yeah.
That condition
If
also
these two conditions also fail means then
then else
comes to
condition
the else
only
block.
execute.
Execute.
Yeah. Are you understand
So
all?
run the code. Okay. Suppose your marks is 65. And I'm getting
It's a first class.
First class.
You can minimize now.
Yeah.
Okay.
While loop statements are while loop execute
No,
a set of
no. Don't go while loop. Tomorrow you will explain now while loop because time is
only 10
left.
minutes are there. 10
No.
minutes are there.
While loop has so many doubts are there. Also in while loop you have mentioned the break. The break condition and condition continuous condition is most important. Don't go now today. Tomorrow while loop condition and for loop condition you will explain now.
Okay.
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 Again you can repeat now what is the if condition and else condition and what is the if else condition.
Okay.
Again explain now.
So guys, this is the if condition. If condition and statements. This is the statement flow. If else condition. If condition is true, then directly it execute to the if condition block.
Yeah, sorry guys, tomorrow no class.
Actually, in the flow control statement, I forgot to say this.
Thank you, Sai Baba. I forgot it.
Condition and block. What is the condition? An expression which returns a boolean value. Expression which returns a boolean value is a condition. Then block. What is a block? Set of test statements following the same space indentation. Same space indentation is called a block. These two are mandatory. These two are not there. Then if these are not executed properly.
Yeah, you can share now your file in the chat box.
Yeah, I'll share
and
the
also WhatsApp group also you can share now this file. Anyone interested for coding challenge? I will send one question.
like a task as well.
Not a task. It's a interview question.
Okay. Yeah, you just mentioned in the WhatsApp group.
Yeah, I will mention now.
Students,
I will copy and paste now. Maybe will.
this is the if block, else block, and elif block. Tomorrow we'll go for the while loop, for loop, break statement, continuous statement, close statement.
Amrut completed?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hello? Yeah.
I will share one PDF, one text file in the WhatsApp. Once see now what happened in the what are the questions asking in the Python. You can see now what is the group. Once send the message in the group.
Okay.
Anyone of send the message?
Lesson 5?
Yeah, you can say hi in the group. I have a lot of groups and all. Yeah. Okay, thank you. You can also share now your file, Python file, but not a Python file, your text file. Okay. Thank you, Hussein. Thank you, Amrut. I will send now. It's yeah, you can see now the Python text file.
Python text. Okay.
Yeah. Once you open now, you can do anything. It's only this type of questions asking in interview times. In TCS level, in a Wipro, Our experience level also asking this type of questions. This is not a too much critical. It's a average question. It's a average level question.
I can see input format, each test case is input format, and written output format.
This is the tweeted data. Some guys are tweeting. Who is the number of times repeated tweeted, and also number of times means who are number of times tweeted that person you can retrieve now.
Yeah,
That person you can retrieve now, and also that data will be retrieved in the what is the format?
yeah, we can, Shiva, we
Alphabetical
can,
order.
Shiva, but can we use different inputs? Yeah,
What Amrut?
like here is given like such input ID 1, 2, 3, 4.
2, 3,
Yeah,
4 means how many members are tweeted. You can give the first. You can see first sample one. The
yeah,
input is
sample one.
1,
Yeah,
4.
yeah. Yeah, I'm
Is
telling,
the
I'm telling, can we use different inputs, different text inputs?
yeah, different inputs. That time you can see Sachin 3.
Okay.
Any Sachin 3. You
Output.
can see yeah, output. Because that person was the first one, Sachin.
Okay.
And next Sachin is 2. Sachin was 2 times tweeted. Not a 2 times, 3 times in the first example.
Okay.
Because the output is Sachin 3. 3 times he is tweeted.
Three times Sachin is the output.
But
Output one is
first you can given the input is 1 and also 4.
okay.
It's a 4 means it's a total number of tweets. Okay, total
Yeah.
number of tweets 4. Only one person Sachin was tweeted in 3 times.
Three times.
Yeah, and you come to second example, you can see 1 and 6.
Okay.
In the 6 tweets are there. In the 6 tweets, in the Kohli, and Sachin 2 times tweeted.
And seven two times.
Sachin, Svega also 2 times tweeted. Because in the order you can see alphabetic order is follow. First came from Kohli.
Two.
Next came from Sachin. Sachin in the S is the same. After A and E, you can see now. You can follow alphabetic order. Okay.
Yes.
Nagendra, what happened? Nagendra, are you there in the video call? Not a meeting. Can you explain block and conduction in Telugu? Conduction. Oh, condition means okay. Sampath. Sampath.
Condition intelligence.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Some.
I already told block is a space indentation and condition.
Okay. Sampath. Amrut, you can explain now. I will join later. You can explain now.
I already told that block is a set of statements. In the set of state in the if condition statement, the space indentation. Space indentation is must be compulsory, must be required. That is block indentation. Condition means an expression is returns a boolean value. Hello? And then
Hussein? Hussein, hello? Hello, Hussein.
Yes, sure. Tell me.
It's Nagendra. Your name is Nagendra. Yeah, you can provide the session videos for Nagendra. You can forward to Nagendra. He's can't able to join now because he is working with 11 to 12 p.m. 12 a.m. 2 to 11. Okay, he's providing the videos for you. Okay, Hussein. Once asked to
actually,
Okay,
Yogeshwari
okay.
how to download now. After you can share now, share
Okay.
to Nagendra. Okay. Thank you.
actually, actually for the nested loops you're asking for, right? Hello?
Yeah, Amrit.
Yeah, actually, I'm telling for the nested loop, I'll give you the best example for that. Three inputs, we're taking X, Y, Z. Running, running with the input, right?
You can check. You can give the 10. Don't give input side. You can give 10.
But we have to write
You can give 10 and y equal to 10, y equal to 20, and z equal to 30. First, you can compare with y, x
X
and
is,
y. You can compare now.
X is greater than Y. Right?
You can
X
take a
is
small x.
greater than Y.
Oh no. Y greater than x. Y greater
Yeah,
than.
that will come with that.
Okay. No.
X greater than Z.
That's the time condition is false. The first condition will be false. You can give less than. In the first condition, you can give the less than. Okay, that condition will be true that time.
No, anything is better. Uh, if X if X less than Y, then which is good?
Y is big. In
Y
this time,
is
Y is big.
greater
No,
than X.
you are writing the second condition is wrong.
No, this is a nested loop. Block
Yeah.
within a block within a block is called a nested loop.
Wait, Amrut. చూడండి ఇక్కడ చూడండి మనకి ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఉంది కదా ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ అనేది యూ కెన్ కంపేరింగ్ విత్ ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్ ఈజ్ ది లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ 20
Okay.
that time we can write the function is right or wrong. Yeah, Amrut, wait a minute. This is the second condition. If condition is wrong, x greater than z is wrong.
Wrong, right?
Yeah, you can see x is a 10. You can give in the x is a 10, z equal to 30. How is it? It's correct.
The X will be there.
But you can compare now. Already compare now. X equal to okay.
Yeah, one more
now.
loop at it. One more
Yeah.
loop at it. Like, block
But
within
in
a
this
block.
time, in this
Same
time you can
specification is a
no.
block.
No. This print form is wrong. Y is greater than x. This is correct. X is less than. X is less than. You can put in the you can write now in the print form. X is less than. X is small. Otherwise, you can write now x is small in the first print form. In the first print form, no, not in this. Uh, X is less than small. X is small.
Then Y.
Smaller than x comma y also. X comma y. Not sorry.
Anything
Y
that
comma
is.
z. Y comma z. Yeah, I'm also thinking that very. Y comma Z. You can give Y comma Z. What happened today? Okay. Else otherwise, you can see this condition will be true, this condition will be false. That time you can print this else statement. In this first if condition will be true and next else if condition will be false, that time you came to this else condition.
Right?
Yeah, but you can see in the print
This is the
second
false.
print form. That is the correct.
Okay. This
Z is greater than X.
that is
No, no, no,
greater.
no. I am asking the else condition. The in nested loop in the else condition, that is the wrong. The print statement is wrong or right. You
You are
can check
asking this
now.
one?
Yeah.
Okay. Z is greater than
You can check now the syntax. What is the statement? X less than Z.
Z. So 10 less
Yeah,
than
that is the
30,
wrong
right?
or right. What happened? You can.
Okay. If X less than Z, right? Z is
Hmm.
greater than I.
Z is greater than X.
X,
Okay.
yes.
Why you write again X if condition?
This is else nested loop, so we should use
Yeah,
otherwise it's not
nested
a
loop. Yeah,
nested loop.
it's completed. You can use elif condition.
Elif.
Yeah. This is
Elif is not required. That's not a nested loop. Nested loop comes only if else block. Right?
no no Amrut. No Amrut. Once see your syntax.
Okay. If X is 10 and Y is 20, if I give X less than 20, then X is less than.
You can write if condition because printing two times. No, that's a right. You can see you can print the two statements. First one is the first if condition you can complete it. Now again you can write the if condition because we are print the two statements in the first statement and the last thought statement. You can see last thought statement in print
Yeah.
form.
Yeah.
Yeah, before you can use the if condition. In this time you can use the elif or otherwise you can use else.
Elif.
Yeah. In this you can use elif or otherwise you can use else condition. Hmm. And you can run now. You can give else condition also. Yeah, you can run now. Python is very simple. You can understand easily that time. You can write the code easily.
X is less than Y. Okay.
Hmm.
Suppose if I am taking 100. Y is greater than Z.
Hmm. You can change Z value or X value
Okay.
also.
So
And X value also change. You can change X value.
Z is greater than.
X.
Can you tell the
This
priority
is
of the above program?
Ranjit?
yeah. Hello.
Hello, Ranjit.
Actually, I'm Sabat.
What Ranjit? I can't understand.
మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాశారు కదా సార్ అది
Yeah, Amrut. Hmm. Oh, written by Amrut.
దాంట్లో ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ దేనికి ఇస్తుంది అంటే ఇఫ్ కండిషన్స్ ఫస్ట్
ఫస్ట్
Sequence it does,
పైథాన్
sequence.
అనేది లైన్ బై లైన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఫస్ట్ లైన్ వాట్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ నౌ ద కండిషన్ విల్ బి యూ కెన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ నౌ.
One more by using input function can you right?
No, Amrud, it's enough. Time is enough. Do practice now. Okay? Anyone? All of do practice. It's enough. Time is left.
Okay.
Okay, 8:45. Okay, thank you guys.
So this task shall we do?
No. Just of all, you can how to do it. You can think now. Maybe you have do in Java or otherwise any languages. You can write now. Okay. Okay. Bye. Good night. Anyone of any questions?
night.
Got it. Okay. Any guys? Any questions? Yeah. Good night. Bye.